So this is the keyboard which I have ordered, the Portronics POR 1658, and you can see how sleek the look of the keyboard is. The low sounding keys, they are almost like laptop keys. Let me show you here. So they are so soft and non-sounding. Here is the warranty card. And then we have reset method for USB receiver. And we have the mouse. Alright, this is the mouse. And there is a little on off switch. And the size is pretty enough. So it's comfortable to use. And something is sounding bad. Let's see. There it is, and receiver. This is the dongle, small dongle, single dongle for both keyboard and the mouse. So now let's test to run it. So now I have put in the batteries for it, and the dongle has also been connected. Now you can see that the mouse is perfectly working. It's fine. Scrolling is also perfect. Right click. All buttons are working fine. Now let's check the typing and keyboard. Let's see. Okay, yes, it's working. It's working perfectly. The quality of keyboard, I must say, is very good. These keys feel sturdy. The plastic is heavy. The keyboard is having decent weight, which should feel premium. So this is it. The Portronics 1658.